Good morning students. Again we will study chapter 6 whole and parts fraction part 5th. Today we study subtraction. Subtraction of fraction. Okay. How to subtract a fraction? First we study when the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, how to subtract a fraction? In previous class we also discussed the how to add the same denominator and the different denominator. Today we will study subtraction of fraction. First we study same denominator, subtraction with same denominator. 7 upon 8 minus 3 by 8. Look here. Here both denominators are same. Both denominators are same. Now we subtract this number 7 minus 3 upon 8. Only we write the numerator. 7 minus 3 by 8. Now you subtract this number. 3 take away from 7. You get 4. Our answer is 4 by 8. Understand you? You don't subtract the numerator and numerator. Only we subtract numerator and numerator. We don't subtract denominator and denominator. Therefore, we write 7. Only the numerator we write 7 minus 3 upon 8 is equal to 4 by 8. Now, another example, look here. 19 upon 25 minus 8 upon 25. Here, look here the denominators are same. Yes. Now we subtract 19 minus 8 by 25. We don't repeat the denominator. Now you minus here. Then 8 take away from 19. What is your answer? 11 by 25. Another question. 25 upon 30 minus 40 upon 30. Look here. Here both denominators are same. Same? Yes. Now we use subtract 25 minus 14 upon 30. Then we subtract this. You don't know. You write in the side of the notebook. Then you subtract. We write then 11 upon 30. Our answer is 11 upon 30. You understand the same denominator, how to subtract the same denominator? Then, how to subtract the different denominator? Here, 8 by 15 minus 3 by 30. Look here. Here 8 by 15 minus 3 by 30. First we subtract this number. How to subtract? Here the denominators are different. First you find the LCM of denominator. First you find the LCM of denominator. Here you know the LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple or lowest common multiple. Here 15 and 30. First you find the LCM of 15 and 30. You know the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Here which table go in both number? 2 divisible by 15? No. 30? Yes. We take 2. First prime number is 2. 2 is not divisible by 15. What do you do? As it is, right? Then the table of 2, how many times gone in 30? How many times? 15 times. You divide inside of the rough notebook, then you write the answer. Now, next again you check 2 is divisible by 15? No. 2 is again divisible by 15? No. Next prime number 3. 3 is divisible by 15? Yes. How many times? 5 times. Here also 5 times. Then next you check, again 3 is gone in here? No. Next prime number is 5. 5 is divisible 1 time, here 1 time. Both come in 1. Now the LCM 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. LCM of 15 and 30 is 30. Our LCM is 30. Next step. First we find the LCM. Next step, we write this fraction 8 by 15. Next step, listen here. LCM divide by each denominator. LCM divide by each denominator. That is, LCM means 30. 30 divide 15. The table of 15, you say how many times come? 2 times. Then you multiply by numerator and denominator. Understand? No. Else, first you write your fraction, then you divide by each denominator. LCM divide by each denominator. Our LCM is 30. 30 divide by first 15. We get 2. Then we multiply by numerator and denominator. Next fraction also you write 3 by 30. Again you divide, LCM divide by denominator, that is 30 divided by 30, you get 1 by 1. Now we multiply 8 2 ja 16 upon 30, here 3 upon 30. Your LCM is denominator. Then now here the denominators are same. Now we subtract 16 minus 3 upon 30 is equal to 13 by 30. Understand? One more question. Three by 12 minus 2 by 24. Listen, 3 by 12 minus 2 by 24. Here, first you look, here the denominators are same? No. First we find the LCM of 12 and 24. First we find. Check, this number is divisible by 2. Here also, yes. Here 6, here 12. Again you check, this number is divisible by, yes. Here again 2 gone, here 3, here 6. Again this number is divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, here 6 is divisible by 2, here 2, right? The table of 2 not go in 3, what do you do? As it is right, here 3, here also 3. The table of 2, how many times gone here? 3 times. Again 3 gone, 1, 1. LCM. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. LCM is equal to 24. Next step, LCM divided by each denominator, that is, first we write 3 by 12 multiply, then 24 divided by 12, you get 2. Next 2 by 24, again LCM divided by denominator, that is 24 divided by 24, you get 1. Now multiply this, 3 2 ja 6, 12 2 ja 24, here also 2 1 ja 2, then 24 1 ja 24. Next step, you subtract this number, okay. Now here the denominators are same, then 6 upon 24 minus 2 upon 24, then is equal to 6 minus 2 upon 24 is equal to 4 upon 24. Understand? Then one more question. Three by 8 minus 1 by 16. What is our question? 3 by 8 minus 1 by 16. Again you look here, the denominators are same? No. First you find the LCM of 8 and 16. Here 8 and 16. Now how many times gone? 4 times, here 8, again 2 again gone, 2 times, then 4 times, again 2 1 times, here 2 times, again 2 gone, 1 and 1. LCM is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. LCM is 16. Next step, first we write this fraction, then LCM divided by each denominator. First 16 divided by 8, you get 2, then multiply by numerator and denominator. Here 1 by 16, then again 16 divided by 16, you get 1. Then multiply this, 3 2 ja 6, 8 2 ja 16. Here 1 1 ja 1, then 16 1 ja 16. Now subtract this number. 6 by 16 minus 1 by 16. Then 6 minus 1 upon 16 is equal to 5 by 16. Understand you? Then you do question number 1 A to F, question number 2 A to C of exercise 6.8. Thank you.